At $21.99, I got the base model Redmi Turbo Max. Many of you want to see how this phone performs playing PUBG smoothly at 100 frames per second. Okay, regarding the screen, it's 6.83 inches with a resolution of 2772 by 1280 and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It has a metal frame, a fiberglass back cover. This unit I have, its color is called Auspicious Cloud White. The back panel features this lighting effect, and we can choose to enable or disable it within the backlighting settings.
For performance, it's equipped with the Dimensity 9000S processor. Ours has 12 plus 256 with a 9000 mAh battery. The system version is the very latest. In performance mode, I simply ran a benchmark, scoring 2.96 million points, surpassing 68% of users.
For gaming, HDR is at 90, high definition is 90, balanced is 90, and smooth mode gives us 120 frames. We'll be playing at 1080p. Before we start playing, we absolutely must turn on this rage mode. Battery at 99, room temperature 21.9. Let's start right away. Okay guys, let's jump straight into the game. Oh, little niece, let's just pick her.
Oh, this is my first time playing an update. I've never played this before, guys. I'm not familiar with the map yet. I'll just sway left and right at the spawn point. Hey, alright, no problem. Hold on tight, we'll see how it goes once we're in the game. No problem, let's just jump. 109 in an instant. Let's just jump to any spot. Let's see, 6 teams, 7, depends on the person. Wait, 12 people? Let's see again, 14 people? Not much of a show.
Let's look at the 15 people again. All right. I'm not looking anymore. Whoa.
Oh my, wow, haha. Hey, wow, what in the world is happening? Ha 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 ha. Oh, this is getting good. All right, guys, no more talking now.
That's brilliant. You've always had that unstoppable energy. You just can't stop. Keep it coming, keep it coming.
Left. Make the enemy lose their cool.
Alright guys, we played for 30 minutes, locked at 90 FPS. Pause. I guess the phone's a bit hot. Okay then, we'll just play for 32 minutes and 18 seconds. After playing, the phone had a score of 48.2. Pause. Battery remaining was 89%, 10% power consumption. Let's take a look. Pause. The average was 115.8. Pause. We'll just record this directly, right? Pause. This is after exiting and re-entering. Some friends always ask me, why do you exit and re-enter?
If I'm out, I have to quit and start all over again. The first part played fine, but then after playing for a bit, this phone gets hot and you locked the frame rate. So for this phone, my overall gaming experience, if you want to play PUBG smoothly at 1080p and 120 frames, then you'll need a cooler. It's responsive, keeping up with my hand speed when playing. It does get a bit warm. That's the overall situation. What do you think? Have any of you gotten your phones? Friends, how's 120 FPS PUBG?